Hello everyone. In this video, we will prepare and then install your Delta L Plus sensor on a solid angled surface. Before installing your sensor, you must first connect the battery. Start by removing the cover of the Delta L Plus using a PH1 screwdriver. Next, remove the battery and then plug in the connector, making sure to align the keying tab correctly without worrying about the wire colors. Carefully note the serial number indicated inside the sensor. You will need it later to connect the sensor to the app. Screw the cover back on, making sure to align the arrows. Be careful, only tighten it by hand to avoid any risk of damaging the sensor. You can now install the connection cover. Add and configure the sensor in the app before going to the installation site. Attention! To add your Jogton Linkfeel and benefit from remote connection, you must be connected to the sensor via Bluetooth to activate it. You can refer to the video Add My Linkfeel token available on YouTube or via the link in the description. Next, assemble the angled mounting ball joint as shown on the screen. Using a hammer, gently tap to drive the ball inside. Now let's move on to installing your sensor on the structure. Place markers at about 21 centimeters, then mark the angled side at around 5.5 centimeters. Drill at the marked spots with a 6 mm bit suitable for the material to a depth of about 4 centimeters. Be sure to thoroughly remove the dust using the air blower. Insert the two concrete anchors with sleeves and tighten them with a 13 mm wrench. Place the Delta L Plus screw into the ball joint for angled mounting. Tighten the ball joint onto the sensor screw located on the cover using a 10 mm wrench. Insert the two nuts into the mounting sleeve. First, tighten the nut closest to the wall with a 10 mm wrench. Then tighten the nut closest to the sensor with the same 10 mm wrench. Your sensor is now connected, configured, prepared, and installed. Great job on your mission.